Hello again. Now we need to place the purlin. The problem with the purlin is that it's a customized section. We don't have it in the library. That's why we need to define the section, then we need to place it. To define the section, we need to start a new part. And here, before you start, make sure to select MMGS for the system of units, and let's start with a sketch on the front. Select midpoint line, start in the origin, snap to the origin, and then draw a vertical line, then proceed with a horizontal, then another vertical. Now let's set this to 160, and this one to 70, and this one to 40. Select line again and draw two lines here, one horizontal and one vertical, and this time select this line, hold Ctrl and select this one, then set them to be equal. Then select this one, hold Ctrl with this one and make equal. And once done, and when you have a fully defined sketch, let's apply some fillets. Select fillet, and we need this to be 8 mm, the radius, then select this corner. And don't worry about this message, just keep selecting the four corners. Hit OK. And now we have the fillets placed. It's the time to offset these lines. So select offset entities, and we need this section to be 3 mm thickness. So set this to 3 mm, and make sure to select chain, then select any of these lines. We need this to be inside. If you have it outside, you just need to click reverse. Then I need these ends to be closed. That's why I will select cap ends, and I need it to be closed with lines, not arcs. Once done, hit OK. Now finish this sketch, and we need to save this to our library. This is the most confusing part of the process. Before you save this, you need to know where to save it. In order to know where you save SolidWorks Weldment profiles, you need to go to Options, and then you will find File Locations, and for Show Folders for, you need to go all the way down until you find Weldment Profiles. In my case, I have two destinations. I have the C, Program Files, SolidWorks Curb, then SolidWorks Lang English Weldments profile. I have another folder, which is the C, SolidWorks profile, then I have all the standards. If you want to do it the easy way, you need to keep in mind this destination. After that, you need to save this file. So you need to select the sketch from here, then to select Save As, and it's very important to select the type. So the type will be library feature part. This is very important. And then you need to navigate to your destination folder. In my case, it will be on my C drive. I have SolidWorks profiles. And inside of here, I have all these standards. Now, I want you to pay attention to a very important point. Let's go inside the DIN, for example. If you save your part here, then you won't be able to place it in the 3D because you will still have subfolder. So when you go in, here you have the type. Then you need to go inside any of these folders. Then you need to save the new section. That's why you need to pay attention to the subfolders. In my case, I will go to SolidWorks Profiles, and I have a folder that I called Customized, and inside of it I have a subfolder which is Customized, and then I have flat bars, and then I can place it here. I will give it a name of Purlin, then 160 multiplied by 3. Then hit save. And now we have this small symbol here, which means this is a library feature part. If that's okay, go to Window and go back to the part you created.